Welcome to 5-Minute Math with Mrs. Dean. Today's 5-minute math topic, multiplying fractions and drawing visual fraction models. We're going to start off with the easy part, multiplying fractions. So, if you ever see the word of in an equation or in a word problem, and it's talking about like someone has 2/3 of a pan of brownies and someone else ate 4/5 of the pan of brownies. So how much of the whole pan of brownies did someone eat? Well, that of represents multiplication. So I'm simply going to rewrite 2/3 times 4/5. We're going to multiply straight across. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5, 15. I can't simplify this fraction, so our final answer is 8/15. So an 8/15 of the whole pan of brownies. Now remember, sometimes your initial answer will not match the answer choices. Don't panic, you're not done yet. You may just need to simplify your fraction, so don't forget about that. Now let's move on to the more challenging part, drawing the visual fraction model. So here I have the equation 2/3 times 4/5 equals 8/15. Now I'm going to start, and as you can see below, I was using the two denominators, 3 and 5, and I created a rectangle, and that's going to be where my visual fraction model happens, is in this rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to start with the 3, and I'm going to split this rectangle horizontally, creating rows. I have 3 rows now or 3 parts in my rectangle. Now my fraction was 2/3, so I'm going to color in 2 of the 3 parts of my visual fraction model. So here we have 2/3. Now I'm going to go down to the 5, and I'm going to create 5 columns in this visual fraction model. So I'm breaking it into 5 parts going the opposite direction, going vertically up and down, creating columns. My fraction, though, was 4/5. So of the 5 parts that I have going vertically, I need to color in 4 of the 5 parts. We got to go all the way up, all the way down. We got to get the whole column. So color these in. And now if you're looking at this vertically up and down, the columns, I have 4/5. Now what you're going to notice is I have a section that is green. Well, this is where my visual fraction model, my model has been colored in twice in some area. And this is the area. So, if you notice, those green squares, if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, well, that matches the numerator of my answer, of my product. And if you continue counting the little squares inside my rectangle, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you'll now notice that I have 15 total squares in my rectangle, 15 total parts. That represents the denominator. So this is your visual fraction model, visual fraction model for multiplying two fractions. Hope this video has helped you today. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day.